side, we're going to practice our adding. So we have a number line at the top to help us, which is the same thing as catch and count. So 3 plus 4, we go find the bigger number, which is 4, and we catch it and we count up 3. So ready? 4. What's the answer? 7. Good. Next one, 5 plus 2. What's the bigger number? 5. So catch 5 and count up 2. Ready? 5. What's the answer? Oh, that one's 7 again. Good. Next one, 8 plus 2. Catch 8, count up 2. 8. What's the answer? 10. Very good. 4 plus 4. This is a doubles. So we catch 4, count up 4. Ready? 4. What's the answer? 8. Very good. Now we're going to do 5 plus 3. Catch 5, count up 3. Ready? 5. And the answer is 8. Very good. The next one is 7 plus 3. So we catch 7 and count up 3. Ready? 7. The answer is 10. Okay, now you have 4 problems I want you to try on your own. So I want you to stop the video and try the last 4 on your own. When you're finished, turn it into the turn-in basket and do your dream box. Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to start by counting the things on this side, and then on this second side we're going to practice our adding. So let's count the roses. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. So 24 is a 2 and a 4. Okay, let's count the pretzels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 is a 2 and a 1. Okay, now let's count the apples. Ready? 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Whoa, 32 is a big number. Let's write it. 3 and a 2. Last one is the paintbrushes. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. Good. Now on the